Hey, good evening, Micromap here, doing your daily recap uh, on Friday, 8/12, 10/18. Did a couple shorts there on the comic book haul that I did on Wednesday, that the new books came out. Been reading some of those books and staying occupied with the hobby. Watching the Mets and Dodgers here. Looks like the Mets are going to extend this series here. So far, they're winning 12 to 6 in the bottom of the eighth. I think the Yankees are playing too now. They might be on now. I got to switch channels because this one's pretty much over. Um, the Canes play tomorrow. Canes, go you, go you. I'm holding my phone, so can't do the U sign. They're at Louisville, I think, and they play at noon. Then I fly out to Alabama at night, late flight to Alabama. Get there late to the hotel. Probably get in there maybe like 1 in the morning, maybe midnight. I think there's an hour time change. But the kiddo doesn't play until Sunday. I don't think she has to be in the field till noon. So she plays for the GA League, Girls Academy League. This is her last year of travel soccer, and they have a team in Alabama. So they came here and they played us. We beat them. Now we gotta go over there and play them on their field. So games at 1, then go back to the hotel. We'll grab lunch after the game, and probably go back to the room. She can freshen up. Then check out Alabama. A lot of people coming back that same day. I'm not. I'm staying overnight, and then I'm flying back on Monday evening. So I'll be there in Bama during the day. On Monday, maybe I take a University of Alabama or see what we could do over there in Alabama. In the meantime, kill time, catch a flight straight back from Alabama. Some folks are driving to Georgia to fly back. I'm not gonna do that. And get back to the hustle and bustle of the daily routine of the week. Sell some metal, sell those used cars. September was good, and October is looking like it might be similar, maybe a little bit less than September. It's going that route. Usually November and December slows down because they rent more cars, so we'll see what happens. Take it a day at a time. The wifey is not coming with me on the trip. She drove up to her dad's house, the one we inherited in Sebring. She's going up there, and she's gonna make sure the house is okay. We haven't been up there since Hurricane Milton. So that's the update on that. Stock market making all-time highs. It's incredible. I didn't do much. I looked at the tape a couple times today. I did go into AppMex and picked up some silver rounds. Silver was up over $2 today. Up over $2. Big fan of silver. The old-time high on silver. We could take a look. Let's see here. Hope nobody calls and messes up my video, but shouldn't, because let's see. So all-time high in silver, 49.45 in 1980. So when adjusting for, so let's read the AI overview. The all-time high for silver was 49.45 per ounce in 1980, but was due to market manipulation. I think they were called the Hunt brothers. The next highest price was in 2011 at 48.70 per ounce. When adjusting for inflation, the 1980 high would be equivalent to $184 in 2023, and the 2011 high would be 66. Silver price have been volatile, dropping to near 12 during the pandemic in 2020. However, silver is still considered a safe investment because of its strong demand in technology and its historical role as people's money. Some analysts predict that silver could reach 48 per ounce in 2024 and that global demand for silver will reach 1.2 billion ounces, the second highest level ever recorded. Wow. So, how do you like those apples? Um, is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. So, 33 bucks. I think I got it at 38 because they're always going to charge you a premium over spot. Undervalued. Gold is making all-time highs. Um, do we have stagflation? Do we have a recessionary, inflationary depression? Chime in, guys. Do you see the job market doing hot? We've hired a lot of reps here at work. I don't know if they have plans. I know we have to sell a lot of cars here in the foreseeable future. That's the plan for the company. But when you go to a grocery store, inflation's out of hand, housing's out of hand, car insurance is out of hand, car prices on new cars out of hand. Used cars, they've gotten a little bit better, but they have miles on them. And they're moving. Interest rates are money's expensive. Even though they say they're cutting interest rates, 10 years between 4 and 4.10. The dollar hit 100, I think, and now it's back to 103. S&P's making all-time highs. The Mets won. S&P's making all-time highs. Dow Jones is making all-time highs. Nasdaq is not too far from all-time highs, and the Russell is trying to break out. Gold and silver is making all-time highs. No reason why, not silver, but gold is. No reason why silver can't see those highs. So that's why you saw a little bump today. Bitcoin's at 68K for you Bitcoin lovers and fans. I have a couple of altcoins. I have Helium. I have, I think it's called Bonk. Helium Bonk. CU, I think it's called. I got like 4 or 5 coins, nothing crazy. Not even a tenth of my portfolio. A lot of dry powder. Kind of sad that I'm not in the market, but I just expect a pullback. I mean, I look at bar chart, those stocks with the options, and just everything seems so high. I would just rather have better prices to buy these stocks at. So sitting on that, we could take a look at bar chart. I know Netflix was a monster today. They had earnings. Bar chart. Let's see here. Oil's in a funk. Oil is very cheap in compared to gold. You could buy a lot of barrels of gold. Not gold. With the price of gold, you could buy a lot of barrels of oil. So oil is cheap in relative to gold. Options. But it could be that it's like that because the demand is not there. That bump that we got last time was all speculation that that Israel was gonna attack Iran's oil facilities. Nvidia trading at 138 because TSM had blowout earnings, but ASML had horrible earnings. Not horrible, but they didn't meet the street and they were down. So those are two different chip players. Tesla 220, they didn't really get any bump on that robo-taxi deal. Apple, I think, had reported today stronger China sales, 235. I still have the same old iPhone. I haven't upgraded my phone. I don't even know what number this is. I'm not gonna go into settings, but I mean, I haven't upgraded this thing. I still have the same iPhone. I guess I pay them for storage because they got to get some money from out of us. And now all these streaming services, is it me? But all these streaming services, they want $2 now, so you don't have to watch an ad. It's like they just pinching pennies everywhere. They're trying to get you everywhere. MicroStrategy's up $22 with Saylor and his Bitcoin uh, treasure chest at 68K. I guess that reflects in the stock price. They have earnings soon. Amazon 188.